guys, we're here now at Olita Arena, Birmingham. As you guys can see, January and me have got our head, like our headphones on, so then if there's too much noise, we can put it on. Yeah, so let's go in.
Let's go in.
So guys, as you can see, we're inside. We're about to go to the, to watch it. There's still like half an hour left until it starts. As you guys can see, there's merchandise here. There's toilets, vending machines. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. So guys, as you can see, where the show's going to start, there's a video going on. We're about to go all the way there because our seat's there. As you guys can see, Tiger Shark is there. I want to see Grave Digger, but Tiger Shark is there. I thought that. It's really cool.
Boat shaker up to no good there. We have a bit of boat shaker.
Ready?
Yeah.
Canan, are you ready for the game?
I'm really excited to see
We do in a second,
Hotwheels
but also don't forget about the QR code, which we'll see up
and I think they're going to go on to the park, so that's going to be terrifying.
Nice.
Guys, that was so loud. I never ever heard it. Especially that gangster monster thing. The green one. That was Guys, they're about to show a show, look.
The Anthony Ritter in Tiger Shark! I was giving Tiger Shark's nose a little stroke as well. A little stroke on the nose.
Birmingham. Are you ready?
Yes! What's your prediction? Which one will be the winner?
I think the winner will be either Bigfoot or Tiger Shark or Gangster.
Canan, what's your prediction? Which one will be the winner?
I don't know because all of
I think it's time to get on the road to the Champions Cup.
Wow. I think shark was the best one. Huh?
Tiger shark.
Tiger shark.
Now it's a Bigfoot shark. There's a Bigfoot shark.
The final truck to Wheelie is the original stop. Rebecca Schnell in Bigfoot. Amazing stuff from Kristen Minguez and Mega Rex there once again. How do you do that? How do you kind of get